how are you doing? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's a girl Dina Wins. If you're a new subscriber, karibu sana, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome. Oh yes guys, today is an amazing evening, night, whatever. So guys, today we are doing an amazing recipe. We are going to prepare dinner, spaghetti with minced meat. Yeah, and the recipe is very easy. Like you can apply it everywhere. Kwa kijiji, sijui wapi na kuna mwenye hawezi fanya. Mtoto hata wa class, you know, wa grade 4 anaweza pika hivyo. So guys, stay tuned. Remember to subscribe, to share this video, and to leave a thumbs up and to comment. Alright, sasa, first of all that you're supposed to do, the first thing that you're supposed to do ni kuweka maji inside your pot, and then you cover it until ichemuke. Yes, go. Sindio kama?
Yes.
Yes, it boils. So I'm gonna cover it. You boil, and then I will add spaghetti. And then we have ingredients here. Kuna hizi. Here we have onions. Kukona onions, kukona corianders, onions, kukona red capsicum and green capsicum. And then we have the minced meat and the other things. I'm gonna show you as you proceed. So stay tuned. Ngoja maji chemke, and then we will be right back after the break. So guys, the water is ready. So we had our spaghetti. So hizi nimezikata ya mara moja. So tuziache sasa zipike for 5 to 7 minutes. And then we'll be back. Okay, ciao. So guys, as we wait for the spaghetti to be ready, tutaanza ku prepare minced meat hapa. Okay? Yeah. Kwanza sasa tuzitengeneza hapa kwanza ziive. As we wait for the spaghetti. Pole tu. Na mtaenjoy. You will enjoy our recipe. Yes, I've already blend inaitwaje, tomatoes, the red capsicum and the tomatoes, inaitwaje, tomatoes, red capsicum, green capsicum and the corianders. Already blend. So the next thing is remaining tu ni kuzitumia. Okay? Yeah. Let's wait for the onions to ziive. Then tusonge nalo. So guys, yes, karibu nisahau ziungue, but we're gonna work with that. Here we have nimezihand. I just handed them. So yeah. Spaghetti ziko ready hiyo zingine. Unaona kama tayari dara iko.
Let's see. Kinani kimekula zama.
So guys, we are almost there. Tuache zivaive kidogo, and then yeah. So guys, I'm going to hand some spices. I will hand red pepper and black pepper, and then roiko. Yeah, kwa wenye wanataka roiko, and then what else? Pilipili. Mimi ni mtu wa pilipili. And then a roiko cube. A roiko cube, okay? So to mix. We continue. Nimeongeza tu maji. Nimeongeza tu maji kidogo, so I guess nitaweka curry powder. Yeah, I want even curry powder here. Nataka kuongeza, but I'll do it a minute. So guys, nimeongeza curry powder and salt. Nisahau hata hapa tuliweka salt. So yeah, so our next thing to kuongeza ni zile vitu nili blend. So let's add them. So we're adding them. Nice one. And then we mix. We mix na tungoje ziboil. Okay, we'll be right back after the break. So guys, here we have, tuongeze our spaghetti. Tuziweke hapo ziivie hapo sasa zote. Nazitoa hapa. Tuziweke hapa, so yep. So here we have mix sasa. So we cover for a minute kama mbili, and then you'll be done. Okay, so guys, this is the final product. See our minced,
Spaghetti minced meat.
Well, yeah, spaghetti minced meat. So guys, remember to subscribe, like this video, share and comment. See you in the next video. Bye.
Ciao.
Ciao.